What's up, everybody? Sam Carlson with UpHex. Hey, I wanted to give you a quick little teaser video about our new course, Lead Gen U. This course is free. It's designed to help people going from SMMA into SaaS, or if you're just starting out the SaaS agency journey, it's designed to take you from beginning to advanced and getting customers. So it's free. Check this out. This is all about how to set your pricing and how to grow your agency. Let's go. It's a very common question to wonder how much to charge for your services. And in a way, it's simple, but in another way, there is some strategy that you should implement when making the move on your pricing. Let's jump into it. How do you set your pricing? I'm going to cut straight to the chase. Okay. In the UpHex world, the agencies that are using UpHex and pricing their software, generally speaking, they're within the range of $297 to $497. Okay, now don't go away. Don't go to the next video because there's a lot more to your pricing than just picking a number out of a hat. Okay, now most of the time they do this because that's the number that they hear from others. That's what they hear what other people are doing. They figure that the price, if they set it at $297, that's pretty low for what we're offering. Chances that we're going to make sales and get customers, pretty easy. And it falls within that realm of forget me money. So they figure that if they sell clients at a low enough cost, those clients will stay indefinitely. Trust me, there's way more to it than that. Now, here's the reality. When you think that way, here's all that you are doing. All you're doing is looking at the surface level. You don't see all of the potential, all of the opportunity, and maybe some of the reasons why some agencies don't really make it. So when you look at your pricing, understand that if you don't really think about this, you could be leaving a lot of money, a lot of profit on the table. Okay, now over the years, my pricing has been all over the place. I've been doing this for 8 years. We started out at $1,500, $2,000, $3,000. We literally have been all over the place. And one of the reasons that we have done that is based on our value proposition to our custom avatar at the time. And because that's changed over time, we changed our pricing. This is why it's very important for you to finish this entire program. I am going to help you with your pricing. But once again, there's much more to running an agency and having a business that is really just a fun business to own than you think. You need to know where the real money is made in this business. We're going to start with three things. Number one, learning how to dial in your acquisition. Then number two, having a back-end strategy. And then three, ultimately, the holy grail of any agency business is low churn. So let's just do a quick little dive into each one of these. Dialed in acquisition. What do I mean by that? I want to know how easily your price helps you in acquiring customers. Now, it's just not just price. It's price and terms. That's your offer. We're going to go through that in this entire program. Okay. Low churn. Low churn is probably the one thing that will compound your growth, your profit, and your business more than anything else. It's one thing to charge a customer a lot up front. It's another thing to keep that customer for a very long time. And when you look at the side-by-side math, even charging high retainers like $1,500 or $2,000, most of the time, just because of the stick rate, the SaaS model will beat the SMMA model if you do it right. And then the back-end strategy. Basically, the back-end strategy is just understanding how to refine your product and refine your profits. And let's take a closer look at this. Some of you have seen this. This is the value ladder. This is very known in the digital marketing world. Now, when you ask the question, how much should I price my SaaS? This is what most people think. They are focusing on that first tier of value. They are focusing on what the customer sees in terms of your offer. And they are completely blind as to what is behind that acquisition. Behind the acquisition is back-end money. Okay. Amateurs make money on the front, pros make money on the back. And then of course, low churn. That's how you're really going to make the money in this business. So that back-end strategy, that low churn, that's the real money. The acquisition is there to grow. All right. The goal of the acquisition, once again, if you can break even, most people think that's awesome. But here in this program, we're talking about making a profit when we acquire our customers. That is the goal of our acquisition phase. And then the goal of the back end is to maximize the profits. This can be done in many ways. As you go through this program, you're going to learn about solving additional problems. You're going to learn about adding services. You're going to learn about maximizing profits. But once again, you need to understand this piece here. What is the structure of my agency? Not just in the first 30 days, but over the long haul. How about a couple of examples? We're going to start out with a dentist niche. It's very common in the dentist niche to see somebody do a free trial, so 14 days for free, then it's $497 a month. That's pretty easy to sell in most cases. And then on the second tier of value, maybe we decide, in addition to running our ads, we're going to stack on a website. We're going to stack on some nurturing, some automation. That's pretty cool. And then maybe to keep them longer, maybe we bundle those all into one. So instead of charging them for a website, instead of charging them for lead nurturing, instead of charging them for review automation, for example, we bundle everything, the ads, the website, the digital suite that we've given them. Maybe we give them all of that for $497 so they really see the value. Let's do another one. Okay, so let's say we go to a gym and we say to that gym, hey, we've got this awesome software. It's going to get you a whole bunch of new gym members. Maybe we do 6-week challenges. Maybe we do just whatever advertising we're doing, but we're going to give you this whole suite of amazing tools for 3 months just for $997. Okay. They're thinking that's amazing. That's a great offer. I would pay my ad agency. I would pay them $1,500 a month, $997 for 3 months. It's a deal. And then maybe 4 or 6 weeks into this offer, we offer a digital audit and we go through their reviews, their website, the things that we're able to do with Highlevel. We go through those and we say, here's your digital audit. These are our findings. And again, we create that bundle. We make an offer that will keep them for a long time. Here's the point. The goal of this lesson is not to set your pricing. Okay. It's to activate and inform the parts of your brain that need informing and give you the strategy so you can figure this out for yourself. I want to give you a few principles like front-end money and back-end money, and then let you use your creativity and start testing your prices to see which path is going to make you the most successful business you can be. All right. So at the end of the day, you're going to put your creativity to the test. You can always adapt later. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.